Good morning all. I'm down the farm today. It's a little bit later in the day, had some running around to do this morning. But today, I'm going to try and do a few little bits on the dyno cell. So, basically, Ollie has kindly put one extractor in for me. That's the big fan at the top, obviously. And then he's drilled two big holes through the wall. Here he is, look. You're like a god up there.
Not about that.
And obviously that one then comes through here. Messy in here as always. So yeah, we're gonna put the other one up today. It does, even though it's just the one, actually works really well. Look, I bodged the plug up. Do not judge my wiring skills. And although the pipe's not actually joined yet, it actually sucks quite a lot of air to feel that breeze from there. So two of them should be a lot better. Hopefully we'll mat that today as well. Right. So all we've got to do, oh, and I got some of this awesome tape stuff. It's aluminium tape, however you pronounce it. So yeah, I can use that to join the ducts up and a few screws and stuff. But yeah, we'll get the other one up first. Right, let's crack on. So we've been making a mess. Here's what happened. We put the other fan up there, and then the 90 that come off there that fitted perfectly, we moved that to the back one, so that then we've got one straight big ducting that comes out the back there, and then that one's going to go to the side of that room with maybe a 90 off it. So, and then that one's just going to stay like that, stuck in there. But then what we realised was that all the ducting I've got is all odd sizes. It all come with the dyno. When I bought it all, I don't know how he had it all plumbed, so we were just going to try and use all the bits that we had to see if it would we could, you know, get something together. And then we realised that the 90s were all too small, so we got some of this metal foil ducting stuff that we happen to have as well. Chuck that over, and Ollie's taping the living life out of it with the aluminium tape. This stuff. So yeah, how's that work? Better?
Yeah.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
Oh, and just to let you know, we had both fans up, and then I put a plug on the end. We turned them on, and the new one we put up didn't work, so I took it down and realised that a wire had fallen out. So we've just put it back up again. Is that both? Turn the other one on. Is that two of them? Sucking the door shut, I think. There it is. That's good. Ooh. That's better. I wonder if I can feel a breeze. I can feel a breeze. I can feel a breeze through the edge of the, like getting hit with like wind coming through now. That's good to know. Right, so what we need to do now, put that bit up there. Yeah, let's crack on. And so, this is the end result. Didn't quite line up here because we needed to shorten the bracket some more, but we kind of gave up because it's kind of missing the stud and we run out of metal and blah 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 blah. So yeah, basically we just connected that up there, duct tape the life out of it, as in like the silver ducting tape that I can't pronounce. Let me show you what it's like. Hang on, let me power up the dyno first. Dyno. One at a time. There we go. Does the trick. You can already feel like a really nice breeze. stand about here. It's like, oh, the light's flickering. Oh no. Oh no. Did I trip the electric? Oh no. Is that the whole farm or is that just me? Huh? Oh no. Geo's just gone. Oh, that's not good. Huh? No, they're all locked up. Damn it. I can't believe I just tripped all the electrics. Maybe it's too much. Damn. So yeah, calling it a day for now. It's been a long old day. The extractors are pretty much done, as you've seen. A bit dark in here now. They're all done up there, blah blah blah. Started mapping the blue thing, and then I was going to film it, but then the clutch slipped, so I was like, I ain't going to film clutch slip, that's boring. So yeah, basically called it a day now, and we're packing up. We're going home. Ollie looks like he's lost something.
Yeah, keys.
Your keys? Yeah. In the door. Right, till the next day. And just like that, it's another day. Boys have been in here. It's been quite busy, as you can see. I have some switches on the wall, and we'll plug. This one's going to be for the extractors when it's wired up. Obviously lights, don't have to be explained really. Got some nice trunking all the way around up there. Drop down to a plug behind there for the TV. And then they've gone through the wall to there, where there's going to be another plug. Ollie's here with sunglasses on, watching touring cars. Another plug there, so I can have a TV here, so you can watch your car get and see what power it makes. That's the plan. More trunking all the way along the side now. Got plugs all the way down there, which is obviously come in handy for the trickle charger. Another plug up there for the TV, so I can see the cameras, see who's outside. Yeah, it's going well. Haven't really been up to anything exciting. I was meant to map an Escort today, and it went wrong on the way here, so I didn't map an Escort today. Wired this up. Check this out. Little XR2 Fiesta turbo engine. Oh, I was meant to order this. It's got a Max Mini ECU and loom kit on it, one of my Z-Tech kits. Pretty much every plug was the same, barring the throttle position sensor. So the customer changed his own throttle position sensor, and he mounted all the coil pack all nicely onto the Fiesta turbo bracket, so it actually looked quite nice. And then he asked me to order him a set of HT leads, and I forgot. So yeah, I've got some Z-Tech leads, cut the ends off so that they fit properly, and then they wouldn't reach. So I unbolted the coil, put the coil up there on top of the engine just for testing purposes, and it runs. I had to wire up the fuel pump and some bits and bobs like that. But hopefully I'll map this next week. I've got I'm going to change the injectors in it, something a bit more modern. It's got some Weber ones in there, and I can't find any dead time data on them, or even flow rate for that matter. So yeah, going to put some injectors in it, and maybe I'll map this next week. Right, let's crack on.